Hello everyone, welcome to Literature with Rachna. Today we will study class 6 poem After the Storm, question and answer. So let me begin with the question number 1. What does the speaker describe in the first two lines in the poem? Was it just rain or was it a storm? Answer. In the first two lines, the speaker describes the roaring wind and heavy rain that came one night. Now, roaring wind and heavy rains during the storm only it happens. So, the thing that has been described is a storm. Let's move on to question number 2. What kind of sense is described in the beginning of the poem? Which words help create a contrast with the picture described at the start of the poem? Means the beginning it was a storm, and after that in the morning it was a calm and sunny bright. So let me see. Answer. In the beginning, a beautiful morning after the storm is described in a joyous tone, happy tone, by the speaker. The words, the sun is rising calm and bright, and also the birds are singing sweetly. These two phrases provide a contrast against the scene of heavy rain and roaring winds described in the first two lines. So this is the way the poet has given the good contrast of both the time. Let me move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, why does the speaker begin a happy poem by referring to the previous night's storm? Why it happens? Let's see. He wishes to highlight the contrast between the roaring chaos in nature during darkness, okay, and the calm harmony during daylight. He just wanted to explain these two conditions. That's why he explained, he referred both the things together. Let's move on to question number 4. What are the happy sights of the new day? The sky is clear, as if it has come out to welcome the morning. Second is, the grass is glistering, shining with the sunlight on the raindrops of the previous night. So these are the happy sights of new day. Let me move on to the next question. When the speaker says a bird broods over his own sweet voice, 1. Another bird chatters, and the third bird makes answer. Okay, so these 3 birds explained by the poet. Is that just what he actually hears, or does he imagine what those birds think or mean? See the answer. The speaker perhaps hear the birds chirping. He just listened, the birds are chirping. But the joyous scene makes him imagine. Okay, the birds were just chirping happily, but the poet imagines that the birds are speaking to one another as human beings would do. He sees the same joy in the birds and other creatures around, like people are talking and enjoying the beautiful, calm and bright morning. So same the birds are doing. Let's move on to question number 6. And all the air. Noise is usually an unpleasant sound, especially if it is loud enough to fill the air. Does it, however, depend on where the sound comes from and what mood we are in at the time? Yes, of course, it depends on. Okay, children, sometimes we are not in a good mood, so we feel the pleasant sound also we feel bad that time. So let's see what the answer is given to us. Yes, it depends on how and where the sound comes from, and also the mood we are in at that time. If we are happy and the scene around us is beautiful, the happiness spreads and all the noises we hear become happy sounds. It happens. So mood and sight both depends on how we are and in which situation we are, how we are taking the things. If they are negative, sometimes if we are happy, that thing and the surrounding will be very positive to us. So it depends on mood. Let me move on to question number 7. Question number 7 is that all things that love and the sun are out of doors. Okay, this is the sentence taken from the poem. Question is that what things does the poet mention? What are the things? Let's see. The stock dove, the jay, the magpie, and the hare are the things mentioned here in the poem. Let's move on to last question. What do you think the speaker means when he says that the hare is running races? Easy. Here, the poet means that the hare is running around so quickly with so much of joy and excitement that it seems as if she is running races. So these were your question and answers of the poem After the Storm. Hope you understood it. So keep watching. Bye bye.